Want to use Telegram directly from your browser? Here's how to log in Telegram Web. First, open your browser and go to web.telegram.org. Once the Telegram login page loads, you'll see a QR code. If you already have a Telegram open on your phone, you can use the scan QR code to log in quickly. If you'd rather use your phone number, click Login by phone number. Next, select your country. Then, enter the phone number connected to your Telegram account. You can also choose whether to keep Me Sign In enabled, especially if you're using your own computer. Then, click Next. Telegram will send a 5-digit login code to your Telegram app on another login device. You should enter that code on the website to verify that it's really you. Once the code is accepted, wait a moment for your chats to load. And that's it. You're now logged into Telegram Web and can start using Telegram from your browser. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech tutorials.